गोंयांत चलयां मदीं फुटबॉल नेटान चलता, पूण त्या प्रमाणात चलयो ह्या खेळांत देंवनात. हें चित्र बदलचें ह्या हेतान गोंय फुटबॉल संघटनेन पयलेच खेप कॅनरा बँक पुरस्कृत आंतर कॉलेज चलयांची फुटबॉल सर्त घडयली. 5 कॉलेजींनी ह्या सर्तींत वांटो घेतलो. उदेंत्या चलयांचो एक पंगड GFA सिलेक्शन ह्या नांवा खाला खेळ्ळो आनी फायनलींत पावलो. नावेलीची रोझरी कॉलेजूय फायनलींत पावली. फायनल समारा सकाळीं धुळेर स्टेडियमार जातली.
Inter College Women's League. The GFA has taken a lot of strides and steps to see that women's soccer is on the path of revival. And on the 7th of this month, the GFA selection. Now the GFA selection is largely comprising of players that took part in the nationals. Will play Rosary College Naveli, which has just won the other semi-final. Altogether, we had 15 matches at different venues, 5 venues, that is at Duler, then the Goa University, Rosary Naveli, Chogles and DSY Kepe. We had a league on a home and away basis wherein everybody got a fair chance of participation.
Our Prime Minister's Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao is a very big event, and all the public sector units are having corporate social responsibilities. In this regard, we are in association with the event, and I am very happy to be with you today. I thank GOMS for giving me the opportunity to be in association with the event, and we will be associated in other events also in future.
आता पळोवया गोंयांतल्या हेर वाठारांतल्यो कांय खबरो.
मडगांवच्या रवींद्र भवनात राजस्थान ग्रामीण मेला सुरू जाला. राजस्थान मेला 16 डिसेंबर मेरेन चलतलो.
राजस्थान ग्रामीण मेळा हो एक राजस्थान गव्हर्नमेंट अंडरटेकिंगाचो हो एक उपक्रम. खादीचे रेडीमेड गार्मेंट्स आसात, हेर हँडीक्राफ्ट आयटम्स हातीन केल्ले सगळे आसात तेंचे.
शेनवारा 5 डिसेंबराक मडगांवच्या रवींद्र भवनात सांजे 5:30 सर्गेस्त गुरू पादप्पा सिद्धलिंगप्पा बागेवाडी यादिस्तीक संघर्ष व्याख्यानमालेचे व्याख्यान जातले.
रवींद्र भवनाच्या परिषद गृहात कॉन्फरन्स हॉलान 5:30 हो ठीक 5:30 हो कार्यक्रम जातलो. कैलासवासी गुरुपादप्पा सिद्धलिंगप्पा बागेवाडी हांचे कार्य आणि योगदाना विशीं माहिती त्या दिसा आमी दितले.
इमॅक्युलेट सिंगर्स ग्रुपाच्या रूट ऑफ जेसी सीडीच्या विमोचनाचो सुवाळो पणजे मॅरी इमॅक्युलेट चर्चीत जालो.
We are very pleased to do the release of this our CD, Root of Jesse. This has been prepared by the collaboration of all the members of the group, which is known as Immaculata Singers, and we thought of coming out with this CD with carols which we had sung long back, more than 33 years back, and we also included some new ones.
5वो राजगोर कॉइन फेस्टिवल पणजे मिनेजीस ब्रागांजा हॉलांत 4, 5 आनी 6 डिसेंबर असो 3 दीस चलतलो. मुख्यमंत्री पार्सेकरान फेस्टिवलाचें उक्तावण केलें.
The richness of our past, I would say. These coins, proper collection of coins, give us the information about the history of a country.
ब्युरो रिपोर्ट प्रुडंट.
इतल्यान खबराचित्र हांगाच सोंपता. पळयत रावात प्रुडंट. नमस्कार.